Do you know about the industrial production of shrimp? Our shrimp take about 30 days from spawning to grow into fry. To become marketable shrimp, they need about 45 days of farming, or 80 days if grown quickly, reaching 30 shrimp per pound. If they grow more slowly, they require a 100-day farming cycle. The quality of the fry, water temperature, stocking density, weather, and daily management all affect the growth of the shrimp. Fresh shrimp that can't be sold immediately are sent to the factory. Before processing in the factory, they are inspected, then placed into a foaming cleaning machine for thorough washing. Once clean, the shrimp are transported via a conveyor belt to the processing workshop. Workers manually remove the shrimp heads, leaving the valuable part, the shrimp tail. The processed shrimp tails are sent via the conveyor belt to another foaming cleaning machine for further washing. Once the shrimp tails are cleaned, workers manually remove the shells and veins. Then the shrimp tails are soaked. By mixing with salt, ice water, and other ingredients, we preserve the freshness of the shrimp. Finally, the shrimp are quickly frozen in a tunnel freezer at low temperatures, then bagged and packaged, ready for sale.